Hello everyone, welcome back to Enthusiast Tech. We've seen leaks, we've seen renders, but here it is, the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro in all its glory. Starting off with the star of the show, the OnePlus 7 Pro. This thing is beautiful on the outside and inside. It has a fully bezel-less 6.67-inch AMOLED Quad HD Plus display with a resolution of 3120 by 1440 and a buttery smooth 90Hz display with a PPI of 516, and it comes with HDR Plus support. The display is gorgeous. It just melts into the frame, just like the edges on Samsung's phones. Unfortunately, I didn't find that there could be much use to the edges yet, but this can easily be added by software. It's in the same league as Samsung's displays on their smartphones, if not better. This display is supposed to reduce blue light, similar to the S10 series. It has a pop-up camera, which at first I was skeptical about the longevity as it is a moving part after all, but OnePlus claims that it can withstand 300,000 movements. So if you take around 50 selfies a day, the motor could last a good 16.5 years. Not to forget the extremely impressive cement test that OnePlus showed off. And what impressed me the most is if you drop the phone, the camera retracts back in while the phone is falling. And this just blew my mind. Speaking of cameras, there are three at the back: the standard camera, the telephoto, and the wide angle. The pictures taken on it were very impressive, and it boasts a DxO Mark score of 111, which is higher than flagships like the iPhone XS, the Pixel, and the Galaxy S10 Plus. But this does not prove that it is the best camera. We'll just have to see in a full camera comparison. The phone is powered by a Snapdragon 855, starts at 6 gigs of RAM with 128 GB storage and can go up to 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage. It is one of the first phones with UFS 3.0, which is supposed to be much faster than the current UFS 2.1 in terms of read and write speeds. It has a 4000 mAh battery, a small step up from the 3700 mAh battery that we saw on the 6T. It also has 30-watt warp charge, which can give you 48% on charging for 20 minutes. It also has a built-in screen recorder and a dark theme, both of which stock Android should have done a while ago, but I'm happy to see it on Oxygen OS. It's got stereo speakers that are Dolby Atmos supported, but how much does that mean on a phone? We'll just have to see. It does not have a headphone jack, still no wireless charging, and still no IP rating, although OnePlus claims that it is waterproof, and it's not IP rated because that could increase the price of the phone, and there was no 5G variant mentioned at the event either. It comes in three colors: mirror grey, almond, and my favorite, nebula blue. This phone starts at Rs 48,999 for the base model and goes up to Rs 57,999. Now for the OnePlus 7. Well, this is more or less a OnePlus 6T with a Snapdragon 855, UFS 3.0, stereo speakers, and a 48 megapixel camera. Oh, and it comes in red. That's about it. The most impressive feature on the OnePlus 7 is the price. It now starts at Rs 32,999, which is much cheaper than the price at which the 6T started off at Rs 37,999, crowning it as the phone with the best value as of now. But that could change very soon. Only time will tell. Anyway, that is all for me in this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like these. And I'll catch you later.